Welcome to Hello English with You, a friendly space for beginners to practice English step by step. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. What are you doing today?
I'm going to the city. I need to buy some clothes.
That sounds nice. Do you want to get breakfast first?
Sure. Let's go to the cafe.
Hello. Welcome to our cafe. Can I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like one coffee and a sandwich.
And I'd like some tea and a slice of cake.
Okay. One coffee, one sandwich, one tea, and one cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait a moment. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
The coffee smells really good.
Yes, and the cake looks delicious.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. How much is this shirt?
It's $15.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, here you are.
Great. I'll take it. And how much are these shoes?
They are $40.
Okay. I'll take them too.
Thank you. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is down the street, next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I see it. Let's go.
Yes. Let's go home.
It was nice talking to you.
Me too. Let's meet again soon.
Sure. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.